Wait, don't drink that.
This tastes strange.
Strange?
Yes, not normal.
Maybe it's the water.
The water never tastes like this.
Maybe today it does.
No, something is wrong.
Maybe your taste is different today.
My taste is fine.
It looks normal.
Why are you acting like this?
I'm not.
Did you do something?
No.
Tell me.
Okay.
Yes?
I cleaned my teeth in that glass.
You what?
Before you drank it.
I need a new mouth.
I think you're in my seat.
Sorry? This one?
Yeah, I was sitting here.
There was no one here.
I stepped away for a minute.
That's enough to lose it.
That's a rule now?
Yes. First come, first stay.
That sounds unfair.
It's very fair.
So I have no chance?
You can try.
Try what?
Convince me.
I was here first.
Not strong enough.
I have snacks.
Now that's interesting.
What is that smell?
Huh? What smell?
It smells bad. Really bad.
Maybe it's coming from outside.
No, it's coming from here.
I don't smell anything.
Did you fart?
No, not me.
Then who?
Maybe it was the dog.
Huh? We don't even have a dog.
Right, good point.
So, was it you?
It was quiet.
It was not quiet for my nose.
Maybe it's the food.
Excuse me.
I mean strong, very strong.
Oh, did you eat all the beans?
Yes.
All of them?
Every single one.
Now we both suffer. I didn't sleep at all.
Huh? Why not?
You were snoring all night.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
I don't snore.
You sounded like a tractor.
That impossible.
I couldn't sleep.
Maybe it was something else.
I recorded it.
You? What?
I recorded your snoring.
That's not me.
That is your voice.
It sounds powerful.
Tonight, you sleep on the sofa.
I will snore there too. Hi.
Hello.
Nice weather, right?
Yeah.
I wanted to introduce myself.
Go ahead.
My name is... What?
What? What?
Yes.
What do you mean, yes?
That's my name.
Oh, no.
I'm a man.
I can see that.
Yeah, right. I'm also nice.
So far, not really.
I live in a house.
Everyone lives in a house.
I have teeth.
This is getting worse.
And I have money sometimes.
What do you actually want?
I just wanted to get to know you.
Ben, did you go to the doctor today?
No, I didn't went.
You didn't? Went?
Yes, I didn't went because I was busy.
That's the mistake, Ben. After didn't, we use the base form. So we say, didn't go, not didn't went.
Oh. I didn't went to the doctor.
Ben, same mistake again.
Okay. I didn't go to the doctor.
That is correct.
Hello? Where are you?
I'm at home. Where are you?
That's the problem. I have no idea.
How can you not know where you are?
It says something. Street.
Every street says street.
Wait. I see a tree.
There are trees everywhere.
And a house. Oh.
Of course there are houses.
I see a dog.
Great. Ask the dog for directions.
Good idea. He looks smart.
Stop joking and tell me something useful.
I think I've been here for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah. I think I passed the same tree twice.
Stay right there. I'm coming to get you.
Okay, but hurry. The dog keeps staring at me.
I tried a new recipe today.
Oh, that looks interesting.
Try it and tell me what you think.
Of course.
Well, how does it taste?
Actually, I'm not very hungry.
You're always hungry.
Today is a special case.
So how is the food?
It's, interesting.
Just tell me the truth.
All right. It doesn't taste very good.
What did you say?
But I love you.
You're gonna eat it anyway.
So this is my punishment?
Yes, it is.
Then I'm going to need more water.
And stop complaining.